I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable futures trading on Coinbase Pro, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Log into your account. First, sign into your Coinbase Pro account using your credentials. Make sure you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage your account preferences. Step 3. Enable futures trading. In the Settings menu, look for the Futures tab. Toggle the switch to enable futures trading. If you don't see this option, it might be due to regional restrictions. Step 4. Complete verification. You may need to complete additional verification steps to trade futures. This could include providing identification or answering questions about your trading experience. Step 5. Start trading. After enabling futures and completing verification, go back to the main dashboard. You should now see the futures trading option available. Select it and start exploring your trading options. Remember, futures trading can be complex, so take your time to understand the risks involved. Happy trading!